Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change where OBS Studio saves recordings. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep updated about this channel. So, let's go. OBS Studio is a free software used for live streaming on a computer, primarily used for game streaming and VTuber broadcasts. The main feature of OBS is live streaming, but it also allows recording of your desktop and game screens. The quality of recording, both video and audio, can be finely adjusted in the output settings, enabling you to record and save high-quality videos. Mastering the recording feature can also be useful for creating short videos or reviewing your stream. On my previous video, I've shown you how to use this, uh, how to screen record with your OBS. But now, what if you want to change your where OBS save your recording? It's very simple. First of all, of course, I have to open our OBS. Now, we can go to settings, so you can select on files and select on settings. After that, you can go to output. From output, you can scroll down. You can go to recording section. There is an option recording path. You can just, if you want to change, you can just select the browser. Now you can just choose, or you can create new folder to save your recording from OBS like this. You can select on the folder. After that, so now, whenever you record your screen with OBS, don't forget to select on apply. The recording will be saved on your OBS folder that you just create. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change where OBS Studio save your recordings. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!